Hello everyone, it's me Ahmed Radwan, and today we are going to continue with PHP from scratch, and we are going to talk about new subject. It's called cookies and sessions. Cookies and session. So let's get started. Here I have opened my YouTube channel here, and I want to show you something in Firefox. I have here, I want to go to options, then privacy, then remove individual cookies. Okay, I want to delete this everything now, like that, and just I will do refresh. Okay, now when I go here again, privacy, remove individual cookies, I can find this. There are some cookies from YouTube. What are these cookies, and what are cookies in general? Cookies basically are text files that the website can store in the user computer. Okay, so they are basically text files. Those cookies are useful in some cases to save the settings, like sorting settings, for example, like the domain settings. If you are surfing google.com or google.com.sg or google.com.sa or whatever, it can be used to use your favorite website or favorite domain, sorry. Okay, and as I said, they are just text files. So let's read here. The cookie should have a name, must have a name, and the name of this cookie, for example, is GEO. This one, visitor info 1 live. Okay, and it has content. Content is what's inside the cookie. Okay, as you see, it's all text. And the domain here, this cookie is valid for the whole domain YouTube. Okay, you see the dot here, means anything belongs to youtube.com. For example, m1.youtube.com, s1, s3.youtube.com. It's domain wide valid. Okay, and the path is going to be on the root. This slash means it's valid in the root, and send for any type of connection. And the most important here is the expires. This cookie going to expire on that day, that date exactly. Okay, so now we want to use PHP to create cookies. How to do that? So let's go to NetBeans. In order to create cookies, there is a new function I will use here. Okay, the function name is called set cookie, like that. Sorry, something wrong here. Set, yeah, I want to show you this drop down menu. As you can see, set cookie can take only name, or can take name and value, and can take name and value and expire. Okay, usually we use the third one. In most cases you are going to need the third option, so I'm going to use this one. And as you see, I have here the name of the cookie, so I will give the cookie any name I want. Say my cookie 1, and the value anything also. This is cookie number 1. Okay, and the expire is when this cookie will expire, and this should be in time stamp, in Unix time stamp. In order to do that, I want this cookie to expire after 1 hour, for example. So I have to use a function time. I spoke about it before, and this is going to give me the time of now. Okay, but I wanted to expire after 1 hour. So what I do is what I will add 60 times 60 seconds, and other 60 minutes, because the 1 hour has 60 seconds times 60 minutes. Okay, and here I'm going to use the semicolon, and I will save this one. Now I will go to localhost. The name of the script is index, so I will use this one, and I will just run it. Okay, now let's go to the options and remove individual cookies. As you see, YouTube cookie is still there, and now I have another cookie from localhost. Okay, the localhost cookie name is cookie1, and its value or content, this is cookie number 1, and it's from the local host, and it expires when, let me show you this one. Now the time here is 1:35, so this one expires 2:35, so after 1 hour, as I said. Okay, now I want to show you also something. If I just click refresh here and go again, okay, again, this the cookie now, the same cookie, but it has been overwritten by another cookie with the same name. Okay, but only the expiration date, okay, changed. The expiration date time changed. It was 2:35, now become 2:36. Okay, so now what if I want to place more than one cookie? Basically use the same command. Okay, use the same function with the same command again and again and again, like that. Okay, this is number 2, for example, number 3, number 4, same here, 2, 3 and 4. Save. Then again, before I do this, I have to refresh, and I go again, option, see localhost. As you see, I got my cookies. Okay, 4 cookies under the local host, so I can use as many cookies as I can. But remember also, the cookie cannot take so much information. I think it's about 1K or something like that. I'm not sure about it, but usually to store some basic information, not you cannot store, for example, a picture or something like that. Okay, and now what if I want to delete the cookies? Okay, in order to delete the cookies, I can delete the cookies from here, right? But this is not my question. No, I want to delete the cookies from PHP. Okay, how to delete these cookies? Basically, to delete the cookies, you have to place the expiry in the past. If you place the expiry of the cookies in the past, they are going to be deleted. Okay, now we have seen the cookies are exist. If I just change this one to be anytime in the past, like this, minus means minus 1 hour. Okay, and I go save, then refresh, options, remove individual cookies. As you see, the whole cookies have been deleted, right? So basically, to create a cookie, you use set cookie and date in the future, And to delete a cookie, use the same set cookie and a date or a time in the past. One more point here I want to talk about it. Cookies are only valid on the same browser. Means now these cookies, the cookies I have just created, I want to do Control Z here to create them again, and I say save, and I go again to Firefox options. This cookies still here. Okay, I want to delete this one. Okay, I don't want it anymore, so I delete the YouTube cookies. I close. Okay, now I want to close the browser itself, and I will open it again. Okay, I open the browser again. Even I can close my I can shut down my computer. Okay, and go again to the same site, which was localhost. See if the cookies are still there or not. Yes, sure enough, they are there already. Okay, so cookies can remain even if you switch off your computer or your browser. Another point is that cookies are available on the same browser that opened the site. Means what? Here I used Firefox to open this site. If I'm going to use IE or Opera or Chrome of Google, the cookies will not be there. Chrome will not understand anything about those cookies. Okay, and IE also will not understand anything about those cookies, because they are only available in the browser that has been used to access the site. Okay, I hope that was useful. Next time we are going to talk about how to get these cookies, how to deal with them in PHP. I want to get them back. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video, and talk to you soon. Bye.